Hi all, welcome to our channel. All the things I will be using will be mentioned in the description box. So I have used alcohol ink paper, gold ink, jalapeno green and forest green. We'll need 99% isopropyl alcohol and a hair dryer. So starting with, I'm adding a puddle of forest green and adding gold ink to it, and then with the help of a hair dryer I'm drying it out. I'm waving the hair dryer in different directions to get some texture on the ink. So here I have added jalapeno green, and then similarly I'm drying it out with the help of hair dryer. If you think that the ink is getting thicker and it's difficult to move the ink, so just add more isopropyl alcohol, and with the help of hair dryer, by waving it in different direction, dry the ink to get texture. You can see how beautiful texture we have got here. So here I have lost 10-15 seconds of clip. So I have just done the same thing which I have done in the starting. Added forest green and then dried it out, and then again added the jalapeno green and dried it out with the help of a hair dryer. When I started this painting, I just wanted to use two different green inks and get some texture with the help of a dryer, but at this point I realized that this painting is looking like a tropical green forest top view, with the green part as the trees and the golden part as the piece of land, and there's a little blue color which is looking like water. So I thought of replacing the white stripe with the sky blue ink to give it a look of a river. And again drying it with the help of a dryer. So this is how our painting turned out. See how beautiful texture we have got. We have got some ripples and few other textures, some lines. I have attached few mock-ups. Hope you like this painting. Thanks for watching.